This is our college batch. I am good to go. And here it is, my vote of thanks.
With Engineering and Students Liaison Officer, KGLC, to propose the gratitude note.
Good afternoon, Wanakam.
Now I am back in my cabin. If you enjoyed today's vlog, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kurumjari, namaste, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an event in our college, so I was just getting ready and I thought why don't I just talk about the event that is going to take place today while I'm getting ready. This is the sari that I have decided to wear for today, and unfortunately it has been raining since morning today. So in this college there is a Kumaraguru Global Language Center in which I am a part of it. So today the event is about breaking language barrier for business success. Okay, and I'm not good at applying kajal on the camera, so I'll just apply and come back. So since it is about Global Language Center, we are encouraging our students to learn foreign languages like French, Germany, Japanese, and then Spanish is also there, and Korean is also going to be put up. Learning foreign languages gives a very good career opportunities, not just in the field of engineering, but they can also go for like tourism, translation, business. Another one of the best thing about learning foreign language is that once you know the language and communicate to the people in your language, then you get to understand the culture, more nicely, or like you can just deepen the connection with the culture of the people. And speaking more than 3 languages is very good for improving our cognitive skills. Traveling and exploration becomes fun when you are able to communicate more freely. The peacocks are making so much of noise in the background. When you are encouraging yourself in this lifelong learning process, your view of the world also becomes very broadened. You become broad-minded. And just putting some extra knowledge for my viewers, you must be aware that there are levels of certification like A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, in which A1 you learn the basics of the language, where you are able to read menu and the sign languages of that foreign language. A2 level, it becomes A2 is elementary level, like you can go for shopping. B1 level is known as intermediate level. So by B1 level you will be able to make a clear speech. B2 level is known as upper intermediate level, and once you reach B2 level you can start communicating in technical level. Then C1 obviously advanced level, then lastly C2, it is the proficiency level. So for today's event that is going to take place in the auditorium, I'm going to give the vote of thanks. So I don't know how it is going to be. This is our college badge, and then my watch. I've done typing the vote of thanks. I just have to print it out in my department and then take it with me to the auditorium, and I am good to go. Oh, so sorry guys, it's so dark today. It's really dark because the sun is not coming up. Okay, then see you in the department. Then there was a last minute edit. I had to add one extra line, so I was just making that. Now I will be printing it out. And here it is, my vote of thanks. Now it is printed.
Breaking language barriers for business success.
Let us all rise for the prayer song.
The reason why I'm trying to focus on it is whenever you have a business, you shouldn't focus business, okay, let me do it in Malaysia, Singapore, or Dubai. You have to spread your wings, all right? When you have Canadian address or US address on the visiting card, your business is more powerful. Correct? And it reaches also across the globe. And as I told you, when you set up a business, I have the statistics which says almost 15 lakh people go from India every year go abroad to study. And out of 15 lakhs, of course, we have few, maybe 1 lakh come to Canada, 1 lakh go to US, and 1 lakh go to Germany, because Germany also is coming up really well. There's a lot of programs which is available where there's no fees required, and a lot of opportunities are available in the engineering sector in Germany and Netherlands and Switzerland. Right from 2023, there are 10 countries which are doing extremely well, and maybe the the ratio or the index goes, it's a roller coaster. US, UK, and you have Germany, Netherlands, Japan, Canada, right? All these countries. Daily, at least, you have to read 30 minutes. Find out who your competition is, what the competition are doing. So that perseverance and spending your time wisely is very, very important. And I think...
Engineering and Students Liaison Officer, KGLC, to propose the gratitude note.
Good afternoon, Wanakam. It is my honor to deliver vote of thanks for today's session, Breaking Language Barriers for Business Success. On behalf of K class and the KGLC team, I extend my heartfelt appreciation to everyone who made this event a memorable and enriching experience. First and foremost, our sincere gratitude goes to our distinguished guest speaker, Ms.Kanmani Dhanasekar, President of the Canada South Indian Chamber of Commerce. Your thought-provoking insights into overcoming linguistic and cultural challenges in global business have inspired us to see communication not just as a tool, but as a bridge to opportunities. Your journey as a successful entrepreneur and leader has given our students and faculty valuable perspectives that go beyond the classroom. I wish to thank our respected principal, Dr. Dipesh, for his continuous guidance and support, and for presenting the memento as a token of appreciation. A special word of thanks to Dr. Srijana, Head of Department English, for setting the tone with her eloquent opening remarks, and to our moderator, Dr. Nanjan Balu, Deputy Dean of the School of Management, for steering the discussion with great clarity and focus. I also extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. Zenosa for coordinating the feedback session and for sharing valuable insights regarding the upcoming French classes. We are confident that the student community will greatly benefit from these initiatives. Our heartfelt thanks also go out to our management, principal sir, the KGLC team, dedicated faculty members, committed volunteers, and enthusiastic students who work tirelessly behind the scenes, from guest relation to social media coverage and stage arrangements, ensuring success of this event. I also extend my thanks to Triumph Hub for coordinating this event for KGLC. And finally, a big thank you to Ms. Magdalene and to our vibrant audience. Your presence and participation have truly brought life to this session. As we conclude, we kindly request everyone to rise for the national anthem. Thank you, Nandri.
Now I'm back in my cabin, and it was fun delivering the vote of thanks, and I think I'll be walking away with a lot of valuable insights that will be useful for my journey also. If you enjoyed today's vlog, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing and keep connecting, because language is the bridge to success. Bye.